Hey everybody, Chip Collins, Collins Group Realty here, coming to you with our continued series of Sunday updates in this exceptional time as we're all dealing with the coronavirus. The latest news that I'm seeing from DHEC locally is that we've got around 50 cases in Beaufort County. And so obviously, I hope you'll join me with all of our thoughts and prayers going to those that are fighting the virus either at home or in their medical facilities. Locally, the governor, of course, has not, if you haven't heard, in the state of South Carolina, has not called for a shelter-in-place order. And so there's a lot of debate about that. Some people, I think, are pleased that they still have a little bit of freedom. Others are feeling like there's concerns, especially about maybe folks traveling from other areas that may be hotspots and bringing potential exposure to the area. So a lot of debate on social media, etc., as you might expect. There has been an interesting development. There are about a dozen local short-term rental companies that got together and decided that they would put a 14-day freeze on check-ins in the area. So from now until around April 9th, I think there are no new check-ins for vacation rentals through those rental companies. And so interesting development, and obviously we're still seeing, as a friend of mine calls it, coastal distancing. We're still seeing plenty of people taking advantage of what's really just amazing spring-like weather. People out taking walks, riding their bikes. They are at the beach. They're on their boats. They're playing golf, just trying to enjoy some free time and outside of the house time, as you would expect. In the real estate industry, things are still moving. It's just really promising. There were over 100 new pending contracts just this last week alone, 20 on Friday alone, the highest of the day of the week. And there were about 37 new listings that came on the market on Friday as well. So there are sellers that are active, there are buyers that are active, and what's really neat is that real estate agents, sellers, buyers, appraisers, inspectors, everybody is working together sort of in this pivot of change of how we do business. Everybody being smart, everybody being healthy, and trying to figure this thing out as we go day by day, week by week. We did put together a workshop this last week. I had a great time in the concept of selling amid the coronavirus. If you're interested in our next series of that, it's at collinsgrouprealty.com/workshop. You can sign up for that. We'll be posting on social media when our next event is. Just trying to make sure we're educating everybody, keeping you posted on the positive news of what's happening in our local market, in the real estate marketplace, and just hope you are doing well from my home to yours, from my family to yours. Hope you're staying safe, smart, healthy, and we look forward to giving you our next update here soon.